Kam cibenta ilekmen yaka World Blood Donors Day arhaja arpausan hajrong kapang Give Blood, Give Hope, Together We Save Lives ka Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center ni kesengi de pengkuburam go yaki kenhun sen waper ki wajo kerchan yaka blood bank nei por chai por lang bai peten yong ki wo is ngau bha de snam ka waman le ka benta wa kongsan wo pen im yaki prabru wa em haten dia ni im lem yo snam gi Hagialang mo pelai do Dr. Dilekyang Medical Superintendent Jowai Civil Hospital u Additional SP ke West Giant Hill District u Ishan Kupta IPS de Manuka Mukongsan u King Shuk Kamal Bora Coordinator CSR Department Star Simen Kam Usembur Kongsan u Additional SP hawe ye kelam depan kunmu wa wat ke yung kasem yong ole to ki wada depmat ye em kam snam seman we na do ite por sedang wo ngau tho ye koridor ke blood bank hakim lang salang do ongu wanai benta uku ke jela wa kari mto oran din wo laili isnam siaw bha hakam kini ki blood center kam te kitu ki wa biang hei bori do ipran we chai khia to ulai mi ba ki chakmat wo is ngaw bha de isnam nei bha MD de wi wan i chakri warap khro lai nei isnam siaw bha we ke benta wo yosugu hapo ke jela to irukom im we jan ki bru hapo ke chnong ki thau kham tam hawa em ki wa mat ye chitom saja i we pher bha na ka thau o wanu Hejo ipor waman le ka thau wa yusuk iman ilong garam aw ne ki sodong sukun. Neite hawakan mo ya ki pramen sen bro wa do no ye im hejia was nyau si nei hap ka ling sun ka Air India hakini ki khajak sngi kentu haro u yawro ki wa em hakini ka sngi wo yin suki ki chimenit kam kadak is nyau lem yaki. Chua ini de yo ikalam na ka Dr. Ai Khairim Senior Medical and Health Officer in charge Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center. Hadin wan gaya lang da em ipeten isnam sngaw bha da ki dekhot yong ki kanhun wa pher
When the treatment started, our family was running here and there like mad people. We donated as much as we could, but still the treatment was such that and that was the time we realized how important blood donation is, how important the role of blood banks is in our societies, in our communities. And for India, for Meghalaya to grow, this is the area which cannot be compromised upon. All of us who are able-bodied, who have the gift of God, where we can stand, we can walk, we can talk, and we are in that fitness level, kindly go ahead, donate blood. I would myself donate blood. I realized while attending this event, it's been some time, and by this week I'll be personally coming and donating. But more importantly, please, you come, make your family come here. There is no bigger service to humanity than, of course, voluntary donation. And blood is not a commodity, as has already been discussed. It can only be shared. I was surprised to know the shelf life is only 30 to 40 days, which is very less, which makes it even more important to keep our blood banks running. I remember there was a tragedy many years ago, and one of the great leaders of our nation had said, whenever there's a tragedy, the world gets divided into two sets of people. One are the ones in need, and the others are the ones who are secure and who can give. Currently, and God willing, we hope all of us are on the side of the giving, and let us not wait for any big tragedy to strike. As givers, as the ones who have this gift of God, please let us donate blood. The one thing about Meghalaya that I love is the community feeling. The entire community comes together whenever someone is in trouble. That is something very much lacking from where I come, North India. The society has become very much individual-centric, self-centric. So as a community, now I call myself a Meghalayan. I love this place, love the environment, the nature, and thank you for opening your arms to us serving here. I'll be spending my career serving the people of Meghalaya and myself becoming a Meghalayan in the process. Thank you, Kublai Chibun, Mithila, Jai Hind.